What's up? It's Simone here. I am back to vlogging. First of all, can we take a minute and to look at these eyebrows? Because, baby, they need to be done. It looks so bad. I've been making it work by just drawing them in, but at this point, I don't think I could do it anymore. I don't think so. I think I'm gonna have to actually get them done. Like, bro, this looks crazy. Anyways, still juicing, still eating 1 meal a day, but I do have to do a couple of things today. I need to buy more groceries. I need to buy more fruits and veggies to juice because your girl is all out and I will not go a day without having that in the house because cravings is real. I don't keep snacks in my house. People who have came to my house can definitely vouch and say she don't keep no snacks, any snacks in here.
We're not have that.
Because it just is very tempting to me. If I do need a snack though, I am gonna just drive to Dunkin' Donuts and get a donut or something, or get a scoop of ice cream. I feel like realistically, you have to have sweets. If you don't have sweets, then you're gonna fucking crash when it is time to actually see sweets and eat sweets. So I do try to incorporate it at least once a week, and I monitor how much I am eating. So if I want a scoop of ice cream, instead of having the cone, because the cone adds more calories, I'll just have it in a cup. I'm gonna order my groceries online as I always do, but I'm gonna run to go do my eyebrows. Tons of videos to edit because I'm so behind in editing, and I have lots of videos that we're recording that needs to be edited. Also, I got all my skate gear in the mail. Look at what I did to my sofa. I turned my sofa into a bed. So you guys know it's usually like, you know, in a straight section. So you guys know the ottoman is usually in the middle, and then I usually just turn the couch either straight or sometimes just this way. Well, I put it into a square and then I added my sheets to it, which is where I fell asleep last night. Alright guys, eyebrows is done. Oh my god, I feel so much, I feel back to normal now. And it looks damn good. All right, I am gonna just hurry up and go to my car because walking in parking lots give me the heebie-jeebies, especially with girls being in traffic. So I'm just gonna focus on my car right now. Baby, look at the brows, look at the brows. All right guys, so I'm back home. One thing that I needed to get for sure, like for when I'm skating, was a little backpack so that I could put the things like, you know, like my wallet and stuff like that on my back and not have any issues with carrying a purse. Or I could have got a fanny pack, but not really a fanny pack girl. So in here are my skates. So they look like this. And these are really a hot commodity, so I wasn't able to really be picky and choosy with the style and the color. It was either these or all black skates, so I got mines from Candy Girl, Amazon. Candy Girl was selling on Amazon, so I got these. I did end up getting some socks because you need those. They were saying, I know my sister has been like a skate fanatic, and they were saying that sometimes this can cut into the back of your leg or be a little uncomfortable. So skates, I guess, is socks are highly recommended. So I did get some pink and black socks. These are from Amazon. I think they were like $8 each. And I think this one is the 19-inch. So it should stop like right here. And then I did end up getting a 22-inch. So this should be over the knee. So after that, I went ahead and I got some knee pads. At first I was like, I don't want any knee pads, but in reality, I don't want my knees scratched up. So yeah, I got knee pads for that reason, and for your elbow, and wrist guards for your wrist, if that's what it's called. So these I also got from Amazon, and so these go on your wrist. A lot of people were saying that when they were falling, they were spraining their wrist or breaking their wrist, and I'm like, oh hell no, I already got hand problems, so we don't need to do that. So then these are the knee pads. These slide up your leg. I believe I got a medium, and these you also don't want too tight because I heard it could be very uncomfortable, or just like make your thigh look poof if you know, have thighs. I have thighs. You know what, I'm gonna put it on all together. My mirror might also be a little dirty because down here is where Zoe thinks that she has a friend and it's really her reflection. So yeah, but I'm gonna put it on all together. I was really hoping that I could wear jeans because I really just don't want to show the knee pads. They're like, so I just hate knee pads. My outfit's gonna be way cuter, okay? And this thing, I believe you're gonna need this thing. This helps to loosen the wheels. I'm not really a skater person, but I know they were saying that you should loosen the wheel because this one I already did, and so it spins a lot, but you don't want it to be like this, which is the other foot, because then you'll have to put in way more leg work and it's gonna burn like hell when you are skating, they were saying. So I just take this, which I got from Amazon also, and I was, oh, now they're all done. Who am I? Wow. Look who came to visit. Look who.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god, what?
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, what? Oh my gosh.
Can you stop? I'm here. And she's taking my sock.
Guys, look at me. I'm refreshed. I got makeup done in my hair done. So, just finished recording a video, taking some nice, cute Instagram photos, which I will show you guys right now. But
What?
guys, guess this movie. No, you're not doing it right. Guys, what movie is this? Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and do a run to Kroger. I was gonna go to Publix, but since, you know, the workers can't wear Black Lives Matter face mask, we're just gonna go to Kroger. So I'm gonna go ahead and check that out really quickly. So yeah, come with us to Kroger. Let's go.
Oh, it's hot.
They don't really have any beautiful flowers today, so I'm gonna just skip on it today and probably go somewhere else, like a flower store. What? Find this, which looks really good. It's like rose bubbles, and then this one is in Southern Peach, and then my favorite wine, one of my favorite wines. Oh, and watermelon. Saturday. Today I spent majority of my morning juicing. Didn't get to juice my watermelon, but that's okay. I will juice it when I come back. I'm getting ready to go to the florist shop to get some fresh flowers. You guys know I like to always keep fresh flowers in here. It just adds some like life and spark and color to the place, even though I typically usually get white tulips. Last week I got red roses and they just did not go with the vibe. It just felt too lovey-dovey and it was like weird. So today I'm probably gonna look for tulips. I'm gonna be meeting my aunts. I also have to go to the post office to drop off a package for my sister because she's in New York now, just for the weekend. Ooh, lips is dry. Yeah, I'll see you guys when I get in the car. Say hi.
Sharice, is that you?
No,
Oh
it's
God.
Tevin Campbell.
Hi, Tevin Campbell.
Wow.
Hi.
Oh my God, is that Antonia? Oh, look at you, looking all flowy. How do I look sexy? All right, we got 3 different looks going on here. We got urban.
Support black businesses.
Should be on the beach.
True.
Yes, flowy.
Sexy mama over here. Look at them legs. Ooh, look at the sexy shoulder. Ooh, look at the back. Wow. Honey child.
Well, I'm vlogging for the day.
That's not nice.
So we were supposed to originally get flowers. We're to Simone Sharice.
First of all, the place everywhere closes at 12 apparently. It's 1 Well, now it's 2:01, but I got there at 1:30. Shouldn't be eating this. Things I shouldn't be drinking this. But it's Saturday. But it's Saturday. Wait, what you said?
Bad influencer?
Let me see y'all. Y'all so stupid. So ended up trying on clothes. These jeans are so cute. What do you guys think? I got them in this color and in a blue. Okay, this is cute. Do I have heels? So this dress is a no. It just, yeah.
Yes.
I don't know how I'm skating to the grass.
Okay, over here's creepy.
That's what I said. I'm so scared.
Oh. Let's do it for content purposes.
Wait, we gotta go.
That looks scary. I think she has the hang of it. Looks like a workout.
I'm going down there. It's creepy.
Simone!
See any good footage?
Did I?
One day that'll be me.
No.
My ass is burning.
Perfect. Perfect.
Fuck this shit. I'll take skate classes. Ugh, TikTok and YouTube. How do I stop? It ain't easy. My makeup, my hair. This is supposed to be a photo shoot. Look at me. I can't photo shoot this. Look at my edges.